All right, man, so we got a felony versus an infraction, a call out, a grudge match call out. All right. Shit. Oh, shit. My man out here said, nobody wants your donuts. Man, we live out here, kicks and kits, bail out, man, getting it in. Brothers having fun, how we do it, man. Holla at your boy. I need to get into the drones, man. I had a drone one time and crashed it, man. I never looked back. I was like, fuck that. Something that's easier to drive, man. Okay.
You ain't gotta touch it. It's
okay.
Camera.
DJI.
DJI.
Man, that shit too dope.
Yeah.
Man, get out of here. Man, get out of here.
Yeah.
That shit crazy. See, that's what we all out here for, man. Put everybody on. That shit crazy. He said, fuck that. Hey, what you say, man? What you say? I'm gonna give me a computer. Fuck that shit. Computer ain't gonna make me feel like I'm 10 years old again or some shit. Here we go. We got the Felony, we got the Tailon. Oh, it's the Arrma game. You see different ones. It's 4 different joints. 4 different Arrmas, let's go. It's gonna be me and you.
Ain't nobody getting with me but me.
It's gonna. Hey man, we getting it in, kicks and kids. Oh! Oh!
Show? Yeah, I'm showing.
Woo!
I got off the gas.
That was serious right there, boy.
Did you hear it going?
I hit my brakes too hard. Flip my shit, man. Damn. Let's get it. All right. I'm throwing the truck in it, man. I know I'm gonna get burnt, but I'm gonna throw the truck in it, man. Oh! I'm mystical out here, big truck driver. Yeah. Hey, let's run it again. He said he running the wrong battery. So let's see if it's a fluke. If I get you 2 times, it ain't a fluke. Yeah, bring it out. All right, bring it. All right, now we got the Kraton, the Felony, and the Mojave. That's how it happened, man. You start off with like 1 or 2 of them hoes.
You can't just have one, you gotta have a backup.
Then you come out here, people got street cars. You're like, shit, let me go on and get one of them motherfuckers. Hold on, they gotta count it. You can't count that shit. You gonna be out. It's on y'all.
3, 2.
Hold on. Oh.
We got it.
Yeah, no need for me to stay.
Hey, man, I'll have something for you next week.
Next Sunday,
I'll have something for you.
What the fuck you do with Mojave, dog? That bitch?
Big ass truck, chop it.
I had to put it out there. Like, hey, did you do something? Came out there to see, did you do something?
Did a little something to it, took it to the car right quick. But the battery out though. So we got the grudge match going on, you know what I'm saying? Felony versus the infraction joint. Best out of 3. I got you.
Mark, set, go.
Shit. Oh shit.
You recorded that shit?
What you said in the back? She said you got a fast little truck though. She said you got a fast little truck though. I heard.
Yeah, you do.
Your truck, all right.
Yeah, you do.
All right, let me get down here.